This practice is wholly dedicated to this rhododendron green leaf. Let's do it! Welcome! An outline drawing is done. Every detail is captured. Even those tiny veins are captured, as seen in my drawing. Now need to get rid of excess amount of graphite with this elastic eraser by rolling over your just finished drawing. Why rolling over? That's because with this technique we are not damaging the surface paper, but getting out all the graphite, which is excess amount, we are taking it out. Need to find the right tone, and my color swatches are very handy with this task. And I have a real rhododendron leaf from my garden to match the colors. I'm taking my color swatches and looking for the most similar one. And I find that the most suitable is indigo with quinacridone gold, but instead of quinacridone gold, I will be using transparent yellow. Covering my paper with paper towel for protection. Placing leaves just beside my palette, adding water, and starting with indigo. This is a very dark and intense pigment. Adding transparent yellow, and immediately this color becomes green, very dark and intense green. Again, a little bit more of transparent yellow. Checking mix on a little paper. Adding a little touch of Alizarin crimson to make it more earthy green. And again checking how it looks compared to real life leaves. I find this mix quite suitable. Now I need a little bit more brighter green mix. Again, adding water. This time taking sap green and Perylene green. These two green pigments are my most favorites and my most used ones. I find it very easily to mix almost any green color with just these two pigments, sap green and Perylene green. Adding more sap green to make it more brighter. And now I need a cooler tone for some light areas, adding water. A little touch of French ultramarine. With a little touch of sap green. As you can see, this is a cooler tone of our all three greener mixes. and a little bit more of French Ultramarine. Color mixes are ready. We can uncover our drawing and start painting. Applying water layer to 1/2 of the leaf. I'm using round sample synthetic brush, applying water so that the watercolors can flow freely. Taking darker mix and starting from shadow area, I apply quite light layer of this darker mix using the same brush, comparing with the reference photo, looking where does this darker area starts and ends, where are the halftones, and where is the light area. For the halftones, I'm taking this more brighter green color, and for the lighter area, this cooler green color. While area of painting is still wet, I can move freely my colors and they look already smooth. Carefully with the lightest part of this half of the leaf, and careful with edges. Don't go over them, be precise, be accurate. Now I'm taking my fine tip brush, synthetic, washing it, wiping in the paper towel and wiping out the veins. This needs to be repeated several times. As you can see, it already starts this color lift out. Every time I'm washing my brush, drying at the paper towel and wiping out pigment. And as you can see, veins are becoming lighter and visible. Again, washing brush, drying at the paper towel and wiping out from the paper, from the surface. Also some wiping out from the lightest area of this leaf, of this half of the leaf.